We look up at the night sky. Billions of stars, trillions of planets. Did life arise elsewhere, perhaps? But first we must ask, how did life begin here, on our own planet, Earth? Earth, billions of years ago, was a very different place. Volcanoes raged, oceans churned. It was a world hostile to the life we know. Yet from this chaos, life emerged. The question of how this happened has captivated scientists for centuries. It's a question that takes us back to the very dawn of our planet, a time when Earth was young and still forming. The conditions then were extreme, a far cry from the hospitable world we know today. So how did life take hold? That, my friends, is the ultimate mystery. Imagine early Earth, a hot, volatile place. Volcanoes spewed gases into the atmosphere, lightning flashed across the sky. The oceans were a warm, chemical-rich broth. This is the primordial soup. The primordial soup theory suggests that life arose from simple organic molecules in this ancient ocean. These molecules, the building blocks of life, formed spontaneously in the harsh conditions. Over millions of years, they interacted, combined, and eventually something extraordinary happened. These simple molecules assembled into more complex structures. These structures, in turn, gained the ability to make copies of themselves. This was a pivotal moment. The emergence of self-replicating molecules was the first step towards life, as we know it. The primordial soup theory is a compelling idea, but it's not the whole story. Recent discoveries have revealed other possible scenarios for life's origins. Scenarios that take us to some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, hidden from sunlight, exist hydrothermal vents. These vents spew hot, mineral-rich water from the Earth's core. It's an environment teeming with strange and wonderful life forms, organisms that thrive in the absence of sunlight, drawing energy from chemicals. Could life have originated in these extreme environments? The chemistry of hydrothermal vents provides intriguing clues. The vents release chemicals that could have provided the energy and raw materials for the first life forms. Life not dependent on sunlight, but on the Earth's internal heat. Scientists have discovered organisms living near these vents that may be similar to early life. These organisms are called extremophiles, thriving in conditions that would be deadly to most life. Their existence lends weight to the idea that life could have begun in the depths of the ocean. Could these deep-sea vents hold the key to understanding our origins? The search for answers continues, taking us on a journey to the most extreme environments on our planet and beyond. To understand the origin of life, we need to zoom in, down to the molecular level. Life, in its essence, is a complex dance of molecules. But where did these molecules come from? The most important molecules for life are amino acids and nucleotides. Amino acids link together to form proteins, the workhorses of cells. Nucleotides, on the other hand, are the building blocks of DNA and RNA, the molecules that carry genetic information. The early Earth was a chemical laboratory. Simple elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen were abundant. Energy from lightning, volcanoes, and the sun fueled chemical reactions. Over time, these simple elements combined to form more complex organic molecules, the precursors to life. The formation of these molecules was a crucial step, but how did they go from simple organic molecules to the complex structures found in living cells? That's where the story gets even more interesting. In the 1950s, scientists Stanley Miller and Harold Urey conducted a groundbreaking experiment. They recreated the conditions of early Earth in a laboratory, a flask filled with water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen gas, simulating the primordial soup. Then they added a spark, simulating lightning. The results were astonishing. After just a week, the flask contained amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. The Miller-Urey experiment showed that it was possible to create the molecules of life from simple inorganic compounds under conditions similar to early Earth. While the Miller-Urey experiment didn't create life itself, it demonstrated that the building blocks of life could arise spontaneously from non-living matter. It was a pivotal moment in the search for our origins, providing the first experimental evidence that life on Earth could have originated from non-living matter. The Miller-Urey experiment opened up a new field of research, inspiring countless other experiments and pushing the boundaries of our understanding. But the question remained, did life arise solely on Earth, or could it have come from somewhere else in the cosmos? Section 6. Life from afar. The intriguing idea of panspermia. What if life on Earth didn't originate here? What if it was brought here from somewhere else in the universe? This is the intriguing concept of panspermia. Panspermia suggests that life, in its microbial form, could survive the harsh conditions of space, hitching a ride on comets, asteroids, or even interstellar dust. These celestial travelers carrying the seeds of life could then potentially seed life on other planets, including our own. While it sounds like science fiction, there's some evidence to support this idea. Organic molecules, the building blocks of life, have been found in meteorites. These meteorites, remnants of the early solar system, offer a glimpse into the chemical makeup of the cosmos. While panspermia doesn't explain how life originated in the first place, it offers a fascinating possibility that life could be widespread throughout the universe, carried from one planet to another by these celestial wanderers. It's a concept that expands our view of life beyond our own planet. Section 7. The never-ending quest, unraveling the mysteries of our origins. The search for the origin of life is a journey into the unknown. It's a journey that takes us back billions of years to a time when our planet was a vastly different place. A time when the first sparks of life emerged from the primordial soup, or perhaps arrived from the depths of space. We've made incredible progress in understanding our origins, from the Miller-Urey experiment to the discovery of extremophiles in hydrothermal vents. Each new discovery brings us closer to solving this ultimate puzzle. But the journey is far from over. The origin of life remains one of the biggest mysteries in science. How did those simple molecules assemble into the complex machinery of life? How did the first cell membrane form, separating life from the environment? These are questions that continue to drive scientific inquiry. The search for our origins is a testament to human curiosity. It's a quest to understand not only where we came from, but also our place in the vast universe. And as we delve deeper into the mysteries of life, we uncover even more profound questions about the nature of life itself. Section 8. The significance of our past. Understanding our place in the cosmos. Understanding our origins is about more than just satisfying our curiosity. It's about understanding our place in the universe. Knowing where we came from gives us a greater appreciation for the incredible journey that life on Earth has taken. The origin of life is a story billions of years in the making. It's a story of chance encounters, of molecules colliding and combining in just the right way. It's a story of survival and adaptation, of life finding a way to thrive in even the harshest environments. And it's a story that continues to unfold today. Every living thing on Earth is connected by this shared history, a testament to the power of life to endure and evolve. Understanding our origins also helps us search for life beyond Earth. By studying the conditions that gave rise to life on our planet, we can narrow down our search for other potentially habitable worlds, planets with liquid water, organic molecules and a source of energy, the ingredients that may have sparked life in the first place. Section 9, conclusion, a universe of possibilities. The search for our origins is a journey that takes us to the very edge of our understanding. It's a journey that forces us to confront the vastness of the universe and the sheer improbability of our own existence. Yet here we are, a testament to the power of life to emerge and flourish against all odds. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we do so with a newfound appreciation for the preciousness of life. The universe is vast and full of possibilities. The search for life beyond Earth is a search for ourselves, for a reflection of our own origins and a glimpse into the potential for life to exist elsewhere. The origin of life is a mystery that continues to captivate us, but in the search for answers, we uncover something even more profound, a sense of wonder and awe at the incredible journey that brought us to this moment in time. A journey that began billions of years ago with the first stirrings of life on a young and restless planet.